My name is Dustin Wee, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Roomba 690 robot vacuum. So as you see here, I ordered the Roomba 690 robot vacuum about a month ago or so from Home Depot's website, and so far I've been pretty happy with it overall. We have two cats that roam around all the house, and you know, like cats, they shed like crazy. First of all, I've been pretty satisfied with it. It's been doing pretty nice. I've, just run it around the house. One of my concerns, though, for right now, I get worried about is we have a lot of little cords and different things, and it likes to hit, wooden pieces like this TV stand, and we have. It's just, but overall, it's kind of like, I think of it as kind of like a kid in a way. You almost got to watch it a little bit, but overall, so far it's been nice. It gets underneath the areas like my bed and my bedroom, and underneath, cabinets, which I can show you in the kitchen when I do a demonstration. But overall, it's been a nice thing. I've had a couple problems with it. On this one, this is my second one actually from iRobot. The first one, this wheel, it pulls out, which I'm trying to keep it clean so far right now, but it spins around, and these pull out, which I can show you a replacement one they sent me, which was very nice. I'm glad they sent me this. Long story about that. It's basically, when you pull it out, it looks like that, and then it goes in to this adapter here, and it spins, and you can clean it, which I try not to now anymore after the last one I had. That's why they sent me this new one. It's because there's a piece that locks in there that broke, so I had to call them, and then they ended up sending me this, which wasn't the part I needed. So I called them back, and they actually said, well, we can't just send you the little black piece in there. So they said, we'll just send you a only vacuum, which it was nice, but it was a little headache. They sent me the new box, which was over there, that came with the new one. It didn't come with any battery. I had to take it all apart, and which is pretty simple. You just take these 3 screws out here, and then the battery just slides out, which I wouldn't do unless you absolutely have to, like they send you a vacuum, which I can do another video on that later if you would like. I had to take all these parts out, which I can do another video here. I can show you how those come out, and different parts basically. But overall, as far as this one, I've been liking it. It's, for the price, it's pretty nice. It was a little steep. It was about $3.99, I think, for everything. It came with this charging port, and it comes with one lighthouse and another filter, which just comes out, which I can show you here in a minute, and a couple other parts to cleaning for it. But overall, it's been nice. It gets around different areas of, that I can't get. I mean, it doesn't get 100%, which any vacuum you get really doesn't do 100% unless you move things and sweep it out. But overall, I've been very happy with it. It keeps everything up to date, not, leaving hair all over, and then you got to give it a big job. It keeps everything maintained. About once, twice a week, I'll run around the house, mainly upstairs and in my room, and I'll use a Swiffer or so to trim, like when you're mowing. You can't get everything with the big mower. You have to trim it, which I also run a mowing service with Open Company. That's why I refer to that. But I sometimes will take a broom and I'll sweep out everything, and it'll eventually hit it again. And then when it's done, usually it notifies when it is, basically done. And if you want to run it again, you just push the clean button again and start it, or use your phone, which is very nice. But basically, when you get your robot, you get this, and then you get the filter here that it pulls out the vacuum compartment. I call it just a filter because the filter's right there. But overall, you get basically different things. Is you pull this out to clean it, and it comes with a filter here. And which they do send you another one. But overall, they send you another filter, and this is where all your hair and miscellaneous stuff that you don't really want to know goes in, and it collects it. And when it's full, it does let you know where every time I'm done. Usually, I haven't had it let me know it's full yet. So basically, when I'm done with an area or so, I just check it, and I've been surprised how much hair I get up, and I can do another video on when it's done, how much gets in there. But when you're done with it, basically, you just... Hi, Dustin Wee here. I'm going to show you today how to clean, like I said in the last video. I'll show you how to clean again more thoroughly. As you see, I took them out already, which they're basically self-explanatory for taking out. They just pop out like nothing. But right now, see, you can tell the broom on this one is, I've got most of it all cleaned out. It's hard to do it with one hand, but I got it all pretty much cleaned out on this side. You want to make sure these are done. Like I said, these little yellow caps, they pop off like so, and they're just that usually gets gummed up with hair. And so you just kind of take your finger and just remove it all out, clean it. And then I usually take my fingers and just kind of go through and just pull all this hair out, which, like I said, for me, I have 2 cats, so it's hard to get it all out. You got to make sure they're pretty thoroughly cleaned, and usually they say if you have cats, once, twice a week to clean them out if you use it regularly. And as far as this one goes, same technique. This cap comes off, and you just kind of clean what's underneath there. And I usually just go through and pull it out, and then when you're done, you'll pop it back in there. But yeah, and if you have any questions, just comment or anything, and just ask me, and I'll let you know. Thanks.